Hey there, creators. Are you tired of the same old struggles when it comes to video editing? Long hours, clunky software, and a steep learning curve? Well, I've got something that might just change your life. Welcome to Ideaplex, where we explore the latest tools and tech to supercharge your creativity. Today, we're diving into VideoOcean, a platform that promises to make video creation easy, accessible, and dare I say, fun. Stick around to find out if it lives up to the hype. So what exactly is VideoOcean? In short, it's an open-source video production platform that combines advanced tools with simplicity, making professional quality video creation accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or a beginner just starting out, VideoOcean has something for you. And here's the kicker, it's free to use. Yes, you heard that right. An open-source platform launched in 2024 by HPC AI technology. It aims to democratize video production by providing advanced tools and resources that simplify the complexities of video generation, making high-quality video creation accessible to everyone. The platform's mission is to foster innovation, creativity, and inclusivity in content creation, making filmmaking efficient and accessible for all. When you first log in, you're greeted by a clean, intuitive interface. New users even get 100 free points to explore premium features. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's break down some of the standout features that caught my eye. First off, the interface. It's like the Swiss Army knife of video platforms, but without the overwhelming clutter. Everything is neatly organized, and tools are exactly where you'd expect them to be. See how easy it is to drag and drop clips, add text, or apply effects? You don't need to be a pro editor to figure this out. Next, let's talk about AI. VideoOcean incorporates cutting-edge AI tools that automate tasks like color correction, noise reduction, and even generating subtitles. For creators like me who are always racing against the clock, this is a game changer. Collaboration is another highlight. Whether you're working with a team or outsourcing edits, VideoOcean makes it seamless to share projects and work together in real time. Alright, now let's get to the juicy part. How does VideoOcean actually benefit you as a creator? First, it saves time. The AI tools alone shave off hours of editing. Plus, the intuitive layout means you spend less time figuring things out and more time creating. Second, it's cost-effective. Open source means free, and even the premium features are super affordable compared to industry giants. Finally, inclusivity. VideoOcean is designed for everyone. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or hobbyist, you'll find tools that suit your needs. Now, let's get real. Is VideoOcean perfect? Not quite. While the platform is fantastic for most projects, it might not have the ultra-advanced features some high-budget professionals need. But for 95% of creators out there, it's more than enough. So, who is VideoOcean for? If you're someone looking to create high-quality videos without breaking the bank or losing your mind over complicated software, this is definitely worth checking out. VideoOcean provides access to its GitHub repository, offering developers and contributors a chance to engage directly with its open-source code. This is a valuable resource for those who want to explore the code base, understand how the platform is built, and its underlying technology. Monitor the repository for updates, new features, and announcements. Engage with discussions and issue tracking to stay involved. If you're interested in diving into the code or contributing, head over to their GitHub repository via their official website or directly from GitHub. Alright creators, let's dive into the fun part, seeing VideoOcean in action. I'm going to show you how easy it is to create stunning visuals with this platform. First, I'll start by creating a new project. Everything's organized into sections, your timeline at the bottom, editing tools on the side, and the preview window right here. It's like having a professional-grade studio right at your fingertips. Exporting is just as simple. You can choose your resolution, format, and even optimize for platforms like YouTube or Instagram. A few clicks and your masterpiece is ready to share with the world. And that's a wrap on our review of VideoOcean. So, what do you think? Does this platform sound like the game changer you've been waiting for? If you've tried it or are planning to, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us out. And hey, if you're new here, welcome to Ideaplex. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews, tips, and tools to to fuel your creative journey. Check out these other videos for more tools and inspiration to level up your creative projects. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video.